But this is supposed to save me some money, and also it's supposed to be a lot less of a hassle. One second. Okay, I'm back, and I want to talk to you guys about something I'm super excited about. I got the Nazava water filter, and honey, I'm so excited about this. I wanted to do the unboxing on YouTube. As a traveler living abroad, honey, these type of things, it's hard for me to find like information about them, especially in English. So if this is an issue you're having, don't worry, I got you, okay? So today I'm talking about the Nazava water filter. I got this here in Indonesia on Lazada, and I think when I do the calculations of the conversion, it's about 35 to 40 bucks, okay? And I'm excited, y'all. So let me tell you why you would need something like this. If you travel, if you've been traveling, you know not to drink the water. In fact, period, you don't drink the water, the tap water, okay? You gotta be careful about what you drink. Even if you're in the States, we all know what's going around and going on in Ferguson, and it's probably in other places in the US. So even in the States, you wanna be mindful about what you're drinking and what you're putting in your body, okay? So, as a result, I bought this. The entire time we've been living in Indonesia, we've been drinking water from the big gallons. We've also been using it to brush our teeth and like do things like when I cook rice. But this is supposed to save me some money, and also it's supposed to be a lot less of a hassle. So we're gonna do the unboxing here, okay? You need this, guys, if you are traveling abroad. If you are traveling long time abroad, like us, we've been in Indonesia for almost a year, okay? It's 11 months now. We're going on 12 months in a little bit. So if you're living abroad, planning on living abroad, this is something you need to put in your budget, because like I said, you shouldn't be trusting the water. This usually isn't an issue if you are buying a property long term. You can insert a water filtration system in, but our villa, it ain't mine, okay? So I'm not putting no money into it, and this is my next best option. So we're gonna do the unboxing. It has the filter right at the top, okay? Now, this is the filter. And this filter is supposed to, it says it's a ceramic membrane, nano silver activated carbon filter. And you're not supposed to touch the ceramic part. So I'm not even about to fool with it right now. But this is the filter, and it comes with this instruction manual. Basically what you do is there's 2 compartments to the filter. You pour your water here, the filter sits right here in the middle, and it filters the water and it drips down into here, which you can enjoy, okay? So it's pretty simple. Thank God. The instructions are not in English, okay? So the instructions are in Indonesian. Yeah, so this thing has a capacity to hold 7,000 liters, and it comes with a couple parts. So here's the base, here's a 2-part jug, here's the top, it comes with the filter, and you have your accessories to go with the filter that I don't think I'm supposed to touch, okay? And the instruction. So I'm gonna put it together and fill it up and give it a try and let you guys know what I think. So before I put anything in this container, I needed to clean it with some bleach, water, and soap. And I'm also translating the instructions so that I can help y'all get it together because I can't understand this. This is the filter. Okay, it says you're not supposed to touch this part, only the plastic part. So I'm gonna put this back in here until I figure out what to do with it. So on the filter, there's 2 plastic rings. You remove one, pop the filter through the hole in the container, and then put the plastic ring on the other side of the container to hold it in place and attach the hose. Pretty easy, and it took me like less than 5 minutes to put it together. So I have filled her all the way up, okay? These little accessories that came in the bag, there's a couple things here. This is after I translated the instruction. So this is in case the filter get clogged, you clean it with this, okay? And then this is for you to measure when it's time for a change. So if it goes below 5 centimeters, you're supposed to be able, if you can push this along the butt of the filter, then it's time for a new one, or you replace it every 3 years. So it seems like it has a long life for it. Setup was easy, and it's actually filtering very slow. So according to the instructions, what you do is you fill it up in the evening, and by morning time, you'll have enough water here that's ready to drink for your family for the entire day. So you're supposed to fill it up every evening. So a good thing is nighttime for us that I filled this thing up. So apparently by morning, we will have water for us to enjoy, to brush our teeth, to cook, to do all the things, you know. But as of right now, it's not much in here. It's just a couple drips, which is actually kind of relieving because I wouldn't really trust anything that was filtering faster than this. The only thing is that I didn't know how much water to put in the top. I don't know if this is too much for, like I filled it all the way up. So I don't know if this up here is too much for this, if it'll hold as a reservoir as we use the water, I'm not sure. But if you have questions about it, leave it in the comments below and I will answer further on my experience. As of now, I'm super excited about this. I think this will make our life so much easier. And as I was going through the instructions, it was a super easy setup, so I recommend it probably even if you're in the States, okay? Because you know emergencies happen. If you're from the South like me, hurricanes, you got fresh filtered water. Okay, so quick update. If you can see, the water it's kind of got like an orange tinge to it. Like it's kind of cloudy up here. And it's not because of the container itself. It's just that's just the way the water looks here. But if you come down here, you can see how clear. So we're about right here, and you can see how clear this water is. So I can already see the difference in how it's filters the water. So it's been about an hour since I connected this and put the water in it, and this is all we got so far. So not even enough to actually drink or make a cup or a glass. So really what you gotta do is fill it up at night, and then you'll wake up in the morning with some water. So peace.